Hey guys, welcome back to SPOTO channel. Nearly all IT leaders agree certified staff add value to their organizations, with most saying in excess of $30,000 a year. A survey was conducted by Global Knowledge, a company that teaches technology skills. It found that 50% of hiring managers felt that recruiting as a difficult task, finding qualified candidates for highly skilled and specialized positions as a major problem. The same study found that 80% of North American departments have skills gaps. Opportunities abound, it is clear. How can you get noticed and land your next career breakthrough? You can demonstrate your skills by getting an IT certification. Yes, certifications can validate your IT skills and experience to show employers you have the expertise to get the job done. You can get certified in skills you already have, or skills you'd like to put to use in your career. Whatever your reason, certifications are a great way to strengthen your resume and set yourself apart from other candidates. In a job search, let's go back. These are the top 8 IT certifications that IT professionals should hold in 2024. No matter if you are just starting out or have been working in the industry for over 20 years, there is a certification that will help you increase your salary and improve your career. No. 1 Oz Certified Cloud Practitioner. The average annual salary for AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner is $154,156. The Oz Certified Cloud Practitioner certification as an entry-level exam for cloud professionals to validate your knowledge of cloud, specifically using Amazon Web Services. The certification proves your knowledge of the fundamentals of it, services, and how they function in the AWS cloud platform, as well as your knowledge of core AWS services, use cases, billing and pricing models, security concepts, and how cloud impacts business decisions. You'll be tested on cloud concepts, security and compliance, technology and billing and pricing. The exam is formatted with 64 multiple choice or multiple response questions, and it's recommended to have at least -1 month of experience with AWS Cloud before earning the certification. No. To Certified Information Security Manager CISM. The average annual salary for CISM is $129,000. The ISACA's Certified Information Security Manager CISM certification covers information security governance, a topic that is a growing concern for businesses. Globally, the certification is designed for IT pros who work with or manage IT security and want to demonstrate their expertise in information security governance, information risk management, information security program development and management, and information security incident management. It's recommended to have experience in AS or IT security. The certification is aimed at those working in it who have an eye on the management track. No. 3 Cisco Certified Internet Work Expert CCIE. The average annual salary for CCIE is $127,000. The Cisco Certified Internet Work Expert CC certification as the highest level of certification you can reach in Cisco's program. The expert level certifications are offered in specialty areas, including enterprise infrastructure, enterprise wireless data center, security service provider, and collaboration. Once you have passed your CCIE exam in your topic of choice, you will have reached the highest level of Cisco certification currently available. Before you can earn your expert level certification, it's recommended to have at least 5 to 7 years of experience in the certification subject. No. For Certified Information System Security Professional CISSP, the average annual salary for CISSP certification $118,000. The Certified Information System Security Professional CISSP certification offered by the ISC Squared to demonstrate your knowledge and abilities with it, security and information assurance. The certification covers topics such as organizational structure security and risk management, asset security, security operations, identity and access management, IAM security assessment and testing, and security architecture and engineering. You'll need at least 5 years of cumulative paid work experience in 2 or more of the 8 domains included in the ISC² CISSP Common Body of Knowledge CBK. You may be able to satisfy 1 year of experience with a relevant four-year college degree, or if you hold an approved credential. No. 5 Project Management Professional PMP. The average annual salary for PMP certification as $109,000. The PMP certification is offered through Project Management Institute and is targeted at advanced project management professionals. The certification covers the fundamentals of project management, including the 5 main stages of a project's life cycle: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, and controlling, and closing. To take the exam, you'll need at least a 4-year degree and 3 years of experience in project management, 4,500 hours of leading and directing projects, and 35 hours of project management education. If you have a secondary degree, you'll need 5 years of experience, 7,500 hours leading and directing projects, and 35 hours of project management education. No. 6 Information Technology Infrastructure Library ITIL. The average annual salary for ITIL as $100,000. The Information Technology Infrastructure Library ITIL certification scheme consists of several certifications to validate your skills and knowledge using the management framework. The certification scheme offers to designation paths to choose from: Managing Professional MP or Strategic Leader SL. You can choose one path or complete both. To earn the ITIL Master designation, to start, you'll first need to pass the ITIL Foundation exam. That covers the basics of the ITIL framework. No. 7 Cisco Certified Network Professional CCNP, and the average annual salary as $98,000. The Cisco Certified Network Professional CCNP certifications will be the next step on your Cisco certification journey after you earn your CCNA with CCNP. You can choose to be certified in Enterprise, Data Center Security Service Provider Collaboration, CyberOps, or DevNet. You'll need to pass an exam at the CCNP level. To move on to the final expert level of certifications, it's recommended to have at least 3 to 5 years of experience in any certification path you choose. No. 8 Certified Ethical Hacker CCIE, and the average annual salary $95,000, offered through the EC Council. The Certified Ethical Hacker CCIE certification demonstrates your ability to find vulnerabilities in computer systems and to prevent hacking. As an ethical hacker, you're someone who uses the same skills, techniques, and knowledge as a malicious hacker to help establish better security measures to prevent future attacks. Ethical hackers are responsible for finding weaknesses in the organization's networks and systems and then use that knowledge to protect the company against potential threats. The certifications I talked above show that cyber security and cloud computing, networking are key areas in which certifications are highly sought after. Certifications can help professionals gain better job opportunities and higher salaries. Get the study materials from SPOTO today and choose the direction you wish to go in your career. If you want to prepare and pass the exam, check SPOTO official website. We have sure-shot valid exam material to help you prepare and pass the exam on the first try. SPOTO provides candidates with the latest and 100% valid exam questions to help candidates pass the exam. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for your time and watching. I really appreciate if you can subscribe our channel and give me a thumbs up to the video, which allows my video reach out to more people just like you. If you need my help, you can reach me on the WhatsApp